Hello YouTube and welcome to Heathen Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an EL wire or LED glasses. You know, the thing that some ravers wear when they go to EDM events, because why not? Also, this is going to be a two-part video. I'll try my best to integrate or interface some EL wires to my Arduino and upload the part 2 next week. Let's go! So, here are the things that we need. The EL wire of course, and the included 5 volts inverter with a USB type A male header so we can power it using a power bank. A power bank, some string or yarn for measuring the design so we're sure that the EL wire will be enough. Now, I'm only going to use a glue gun here because I will dismantle this later for the second version. You can use super glue for cleaner results. And last but not the least, the shutter shades. You can use other types of glasses if you want, it depends on your preference. I just used this one because it was cheap. Before doing anything else, let's make some design to visualize how the EL wire would look like on our glasses once we're done. Just Google the type of glasses that you want to use and download an image of it. Open it using Photoshop, Illustrator, or Paint to make the design, and that's it. I used Illustrator for this one, by the way. Now that we're done with the design, it's time to use the string or yarn to measure the length of the wire that we need. So, the length is approximately this long. Let's see if our wire would be enough for the design that we made. Well, would you look at that? We still have about a centimeter left. Now, I'm going to disconnect the temples of the glasses so that the wires won't get caught in it later. Now that we know for sure that our EL wire has enough length for the design, we need to make a hole on the frame where we would insert the wire, so that the power connections will be located at the back side of the frame and not be visible. First thing we need to know is the diameter of the wire. Mine is about 2.2 millimeters. Now, we can either use a drill, a Dremel, or just some pointy metal things that has the same diameter and some torch to heat it up to make the hole. I used a pointy thing that's included on my first precision screwdriver set. I don't know what it's called. After that, it's time to proceed on gluing the EL wire and follow the design that we made earlier. Again, I'm going to use hot glue on this part because I'm going to reuse the wire later. You can use super glue for cleaner results. See, it's slowly taking shape now. Looks good, huh? Just like the design. Just going to remove some excess glue so it won't look so dirty. When we have removed enough excess glue, we need to make another hole for the excess wire to go to. Heat up the pointy thing again. And there you go. Perfect! Gluing part is done, just need to clean it up some more. Then, it's time for the first test to see if we did not mess anything up during the assembly. It's still lighting up. Okay, awesome! Now for some demos. This version just have a single effect on it. It's called the static effect or steady on state. After taking some pictures and videos for the demo, time to dismantle it. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again next week. Probably.